Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share an amazing hosting coupon code that can save you a good chunk of money if you're planning to purchase hosting. So, make sure you stick around. First things first, check the description below this video or the pinned comment for a special link to Hostinger. Once you click on it, you'll land on a page that's offering up to 75% off on hosting, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's the perfect time to grab this deal. They offer a few different plans: premium, business, and cloud. For most people, the business plan is a great choice, so I'll go ahead and select that. Once the page loads, you'll see the pricing details. Just click on I have a coupon code and enter the code MIDU to get a $20 discount. And if for some reason that code doesn't work, don't worry, I've got you covered. You can also use the code TECH99 for a 10% discount. But I recommend trying MIDU first, because that usually gives the bigger savings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to use the link in the description or pinned comment to grab this deal. Happy hosting!